What are these chip makers and what are the chip making equipment companies telling you?
You know, most people realize it was necessary. We have to protect the American people against China, period, full stop. China has become more aggressive in what they call their military civil fusion strategy, which is essentially fancy talk for buying our sophisticated chips, which are supposedly for commercial purposes, and putting them into military equipment to advance their military. And this is the most strategic, most bold move we've ever made to say, no, we're not going to stand for that. And yes, it will deny some revenue to some U.S. companies. And I have talked to the CEOs of every company. As you know, Jim, I always do. We have a lot of stakeholder feedback, but it was necessary. And I think you'll see other countries follow us. I think you'll see Japan and the Netherlands follow our lead.
Well, if that's the case, then what will happen is the real intellectual property in a foundry, you and I both know that, semiconductor capital equipment, typically made by Lam Research or Applied Materials, KLA, ASML. If you buy all of the equipment and the Japanese buy the equipment, the Chinese will be denied the equipment that they need to make the chips. So this could actually, unlike, say, tariffs like the previous administration, this has the impact of stopping the military from perhaps even trying to take over Taiwan.
Absolutely. We know that it will. I mean, we're ahead of them, right? The reality is, for chip design, for the most sophisticated chips, artificial intelligence chips, the chips that they need in their hypersonic missile, which they launched last year, we are ahead of them. We need to stay ahead of them, and we need to deny them this technology that they need to advance their military, and that's exactly what we're doing.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.